Oppo Power Bank 2 with 10,000 mAh capacity, 18 watts fast charging launched. Oppo Power Bank 2 has launched in India as the latest charging accessory offering from the Chinese company. The new portable device offers 10,000 mAh capacity and features 18 watts fast charging both for the power bank and devices being charged. The Oppo Power Bank 2 boasts of a 12-factor safety assurance that protects the device from overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and other such incidents, according to the company. It comes with a specific low-current mode that can be used to charge devices like a smartwatch or TWS earbuds. Oppo Power Bank 2 price in India, availability, sale offers. The Oppo Power Bank 2 is priced in India at 1,299 rupees. The charging accessory is now available for purchase on Flipkart in two color options, black and white. Oppo Power Bank 2 specifications, features. Oppo Power Bank 2 features a slim and lightweight 3D curved design. The rectangular-shaped power bank has 10,000 mAh capacity and supports 18 watts fast charging that is claimed by the company to charge a 4200 mAh battery 16% faster than any regular power bank. As mentioned, the Oppo Power Bank 2 comes with a low-current charging mode that allows consumers to charge devices like TWS headphones and smartwatches safely. The low-current mode can be activated by double-pressing the Oppo Power Bank 2's power button. The Oppo Power Bank 2 comes with two USB Type-A ports and one USB Type-C port for connectivity. The device also comes with a 2-in-1 charging cable that helps you connect different compatible micro USB as well as USB Type-C devices. The power bank features an LED indicator that informs users of when it needs charging. The device is listed to be compatible with PD, QC and other mainstream charging protocols. It also comes with a 12-factor safety assurance that protects the device against overheating, output short-circuiting, input under-voltage issues, input over-voltage issues, reverse charging issues, output over-voltage issues, thermal shutdown issue, static electricity issue, cell overcharging and discharge, electromagnetic field interference, and power surges. The Oppo Power Bank 2 weighs 273 grams. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.